And we're back. So the Civil War video that we're going to watch today is one of my favorite videos of all time about the Civil War, and it's on the causes of the Civil War, and it's very funny. It's called the Uncivil War game. So that's the vocabulary that I want to review before we watch the video. The word is uncivil. In Spanish, incivil. Uncivil means violent. Okay, so like here we have this punching hand and boom, because the wars are generally uncivil. They're very violent. The Civil War was far from civil. It was uncivil because it was a war. Many people died. So I'm sure you're asking yourselves, well, Miss Antunes, why is it called Civil War if it's uncivil? Well, here in Civil War, it's called Civil War because it's a war between two people in the same country or the same state. That's why it's called Civil War, because it's two people from the same area that are fighting. All right, so as you watch the video, I want you to think about and listen for a historical fact that you learned in this unit. What's something you learned in this unit that you're like, oh, in the video, I learned that. I remember learning that this unit. Or a historical fact that you already knew because you're a super history buff.